Okay, we just ran the script to add all of the elementary school users into Active Directory with their corresponding graduation year. Now we're going to run the Google Cloud Configuration Manager to sync them and create accounts for them in Google. We run it as administrator. And then you go to File. Hold on a second, let me move the camera so you can see. You go to File, Open Recent, and you click there. Right, and it opens the Albert XML. Now we're going to go to Sync now, and let me adjust the camera. Now when we sync it, right here, we'll simulate a sync. And it should run. And it ran the sync. It's all completed successfully. And it says that it ran and it created all these accounts. And there's some that were modified, some that need some attention and everything. But basically, the cool part is it ran. And I'll go in and clean up what needs to be cleaned up. But it's all good stuff there. We'll save the changes to the config. And that's our video for today.